Okay, you guys, I'm going to tell y'all the top 3 beginner credit cards that you need. You want to make sure that these cards have cashback benefits, no annual fees, and a lot of times sign on bonuses. Okay, first is going to be the Chase Freedom Family cards, right? You can earn a 200 sign on bonus, 5% cashback at grocery stores, and a low intro APR. Next, we have the Quicksilver cards by Capital One. You earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases. They also have earn a one-time 200 cash bonus once you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months. The last and final card is Discover It. They have no annual fee plus 5% cash back, unlimited cash back match, and a low intro APR. Please follow us for more tips and credit tricks.